All right, so it's a little different than the File Explorer that comes with Windows, of course, but let's go ahead and take a look. Do Flex. The do Flex command is in the when you install the product. There's a flex.dat file in the installation area on your C drive in under programs that you can import into your the command browser. Anyway, so that gives you a command called do flex, and that is what I use. Of course, you can call that anything you want. So at this point, we've brought up the tool, and as you see, it's obviously somewhat similar, but hopefully easier to use for voice only users. Okay, so India, enter. Mike, move down to enter. Go to sleep. Okay, so I used India and Mike, and that's the same as saying press India, press Mike. So that comes from Talon that I also use just to do some additional shortcuts. So when you hear me say just the phonetic letter, that's coming from that tool. So here we have a test folder, if you will, that will give us some capability. Let's go ahead and let's change the name of say that's my test. So the first thing we need to do when we see my name, it's not enabled here, so we need to get the context correct. And of course, that's happening because there's no file selected here. So what I've got to do, this text box here is where we add the new names. So if we want a new file, a new folder, or rename a file, then we have to enter the name that we desire here in this box here. And we can get to that by pressing on these on the buttons themselves. But let's say if we want to, let's change the name of this file. I can click every so often when I have the strength in the hand. If I go back to Dragon again, listen to me. Move up to, move down to, go to sleep, just to show that you can use your normal Dragon commands for a list process. Change the name now. So like I said, new file, a underscore new underscore name dot txt, rename. Okay, so here we have the new name, refocus, alpha,